Yo dudes, I got a weird one today. I got a customer dropped off a subframe on an older BMW. He wants us to remove the subframe bushings. I'm gonna show you how I came up with doing it. So at first I was trying to ball joint press to get them out and no luck. Everything's just not fitting, they're too big. So I came up with a cool technique here. We're using the torch. Basically you're gonna heat up around the outside just till it expands the outside metal enough, and then I can just whack them right through. Make sure you wear a face shield though.